Kamaishi is a town in Iwate in northeastern Japan. It has long been an important centre of iron and steel manufacturing. This old industrial town has now developed a metal material that's changing the world. Cobarion is a new cobalt chrome alloy that's dramatically less likely to cause allergic reactions. The medical world has long needed such an alloy, and it's been quickly adopted for artificial joints and dental prostheses. Professor Chiba of Tohoku University developed Cobarion because he wanted to help sufferers from metal allergies. When I first saw a photo of a metal allergy reaction, I was astonished at its severity. Metal ions from one small contact spot have spread all over the body, causing widespread inflammation. This was what made me determined to look for a solution. Most metal allergies are caused by the presence of nickel. Nickel is combined with other metals to make alloys stronger and easier to work with. So it's widely present in surgical instruments, orthopedics, and dental prostheses. Professor Chiba began searching for a way to make metal alloys stronger without the need for nickel. He discovered that nickel could be replaced in alloys by a nitrogen compound. To develop a practical manufacturing method, he enlisted the skills of a metals company in Kamaishi. However, in 2011, just as they were on the point of succeeding, Kamaishi was devastated by the Great East Japan earthquake. The development team and their families suffered greatly from the disaster. The future of the project seemed bleak. Despite the difficulties, we thought that this project could act as a trigger to help spur the work of reconstructing our region, so we redoubled our efforts. Determined to heal the wounds left by the disaster, the team pressed on and completed development. The alloy they produced was Cobarion. As well as rarely causing metal allergies, this new alloy is more abrasion resistant and 10 times harder than silver. And it's far more resistant to metal fatigue than most alloys. We wanted to create a better metal alloy for biomedical use, one that would place less stress on people's bodies. That ideal still drives our current development, and I hope it always will. The new material is also very attractive, with a luster as brilliant as platinum. It's already being widely used by the jewelry industry. Cobarion is a boon for people who long to wear precious metal accessories, but were prevented by allergies. I often saw jewelry I would have loved to wear, but it was just impossible. My skin would first go red and start itching, and the itch would gradually get more and more severe. This new metal doesn't cause itching, and at last I can wear accessories without worrying that my metal allergy will cause a reaction. From the old steel town of Kamaishi, a groundbreaking non-allergenic alloy with the potential to enrich many people's lives.